So good afternoon, everyone. We have almost around 200 participants now, so I think it's the right time for us to start the meeting. And in continuation of our successful first program, which was on the opportunities for our Indian graduates abroad. For this session, we have invited Dr. Anthony Kumar, who doesn't need any introduction among students, but still, as formality, I'm going to introduce him to you all. He is going to talk about tips and tricks how to crack NEET PG, that is next or exit exam. And he is the founder president of Concept Next, and he is also a urological surgeon, a renal transplant surgeon. He has his own clinic, and he is very, very active among the doctor society. He was a very key participant when there was a doctor's strike. And the most important thing which I admire him is more than a subject, he involves himself in every activities. He has such a self-awareness. He involves in politics, he involves in doctors' issues, he involves in students' issues. Then he involves himself in training students also. So such a very versatile person, and we are so lucky to have him here. He's going to share his own views about how to crack the PG, or how to attend the exams, how to open the stress, how to approach the exams per se. So I'm not going to waste much time here. I'm going to do the show towards him. Hi, sir. Welcome you. So please take it from here. Thank you.
Hi, Nadesh. Thanks for your wonderful introduction. I welcome dear students of Dhanalakshmi Srinivasan Medical College. I welcome all viewers. So my job is to guide the medical students, to enlighten the knowledge, to give the roadmap from the first MBBS students to graduates, how to crack the next or exit or the latest NEET PG exam. Yeah, welcome my dear students. So joining MBBS is many students, +2 students dream, which I can say. So like that, many of the people who has joined Dhanalakshmi Srinivasan Medical College also is something like my happy new place. Like the famous song, Pudiya Vaanam, Pudiya Bhoomi, Engum Panimalai Poligirathu. The happiness is the core one when we joined medicine with a new, with well infrastructured lecture hall. But when we enter into the first year, the proper academic activity, the cadaveric room, many will be like a silent observer, like the famous scene in Munnabai, Vasul Raja MBBS, the silent observer. Many people, they don't like surgery at all. They don't like anatomy at all. But this place brings more surgeons. I love this place. There is no need to have aversion for this place. This is one of the places which has created so many surgeons. By the time go to the next department, we will be seeing general physiology. Oh my God, cholesterol, cell membrane. Where is this cell? Where is this tissues? Before understanding that, when we go into the place where there is a ATP, NADPH, the TCA cycle, HMP shunt. Oh my God, so dyslexic. I do not know what is ATP, why this TCA cycle, why this biological oxidation. Before thinking all these things, the exam comes. Oh, I see the exam is there. After the exam only we know. So sad. Now only I started realizing the way to study the anatomy and physiology. But the days are over. I will help you to face these challenges in upcoming slides. This is by ending the first year, we enter into the wonderful, happy period in the life of MBBS student. The second year, which is a lot of fun, clinical posting, tea shop, canteen, outing, a lot of friends, lot of fun. I still remember the first Kodaikanal trip. Then we fight with each other. We'll identify, hey, Annamalai, hey, Ashok, like those dialects also will prevail. And we identify our gang. We sometimes settle with our gang. We love the gang. So the first year starts with some friendship. The second year redefines the friendship. And by the time, a lot of politics, fun, and like the real work of the youngster, all these things, and the hormonal activity, all will creates a slow pace in the reading. So by this time, we will get into the other clinical posting, ophthalmology and biostatistics, toxicology, and when we give the exam, oh my God, the real scariness comes. Now only many people knows his colleagues has completed the BE, his colleagues has completed some of the arts college and joined somebody in a UPSC, IAS, IPS also. So now only we will know what is the somebody may be asking what is the procedure to change the medicine. But some of the relatives also will be irritating. Already we will be in the lot of stress because the final MBBS is the exam which we have to clear to become a house surgeon. By this time, many relatives also will be irritating. Your son is or daughter is still doing his medicine. And many of us will be oscillating what to do after MBBS, UK, US, PLAB, etc. Mine will be oscillating or need PG. But for 2018 batch, no more oscillation. The one and only they have to clear first is a next or exit exam. But USMLE can be given in the second MBBS exam. Also, no need to worry about next exam. Second MBBS itself we can prepare. So how to overcome these challenges? So this is a small roadmap which I have come through during my MBBS days. Many students have come through these days, but this challenge is to be overcome. We can easily overcome these challenges. How to do that? So after exam only, many knows I learn how to read. Where is the mistake? We fail to interact with our seniors. We fail to interact with our faculties. We fail to interact. What kind of the subject is anatomy? We somehow restrict to ourselves to some of the talks by some faculties in the YouTube or Facebook or Instagram, and we feel they are the God. No, your seniors are your God. Your colleagues are your God. Your friends are your God. Your faculties are your God. They know how to help you because they are seeing you day to day, my dear friends. Take their help. The first MBBS, I told you, you will be identifying the friends. The second MBBS, you redefine the friends. Okay, that is very important. Who will suit you? Who will not suit you? I redefine them. And third MBBS, kindly strengthen the friendship. Okay, this strengthening is very important. Once you strengthen the friendship, rest of the things is awesome. It will come automatically. Many relatives will irritate you. I told you. Still, your student is doing your son is doing MBBS. Hey, cute. Still, you are studying MBBS. Are you doing final MBBS? Like that, people may put a irritating, annoying question. How to face that? Always remember, to give the irritant, what is best is not to defend ourselves. To identify the irritant and give the irritation back. Some of your uncle, his daughter or son may be eloped with somebody, or he may be eloped with someone and he may be settled. Identify that. Find others' weakness. When they irritate you, give it back. Don't try to defend yourself. No, uncle, it is not. It is a 5.5 years course. No, uncle. And then we have to prepare for a NEET exam. No, uncle. Don't defend like that. Identify the irritant and give back the irritation to them. Don't defend yourself. Okay, that is very, very important. This gives many times peace of mind for us. And second years, I told you the slow pace in reading will come. How to overcome that? I told you, identify your friends, play game. It gives a lot of energy. The real friendship brings a lot. One person will have a birthday. Some activities will be keep on coming. We will be enjoying the days. So find a friends, play, enjoy. And one more thing I will tell you. The second MBBS is this time. Many people they have completed the first MBBS and they are still enjoying. Sir, just completed 6 months of first MBBS. I do not know. Just enjoying, sir. I'm seeing movies in the Netflix and Amazon. Please, my dear friends, this is the time you see Amazon or Netflix or any movie which you love in YouTube or anything. But what next to be done? We have to remember, my dear friend, not only the medicine is our goal. Many successful people find out the other ways of earning. Not only learning, we should find a way to earn, how to earn. So there are humpty number of things are available in the market. Share market is there. Okay, many students in US and UK, their parents after 18 years of age, they will leave them. They will go and work in the petrol bank as a attender there. They will be working in the hotel as an attender boy. They will be learning. They will be identifying the society. They will be earning money also. Find a plan B. I am not telling us to go there and do something because our parents will not allow, first of all. But there are other ways to Learn things other than medicine. Ideal period is post first year, the 6 months. Learn share market, interact with so many successful people. You will be learning something, my dear friends. Undergraduate days, don't forget to use library at least for taking a cup of coffee. Go take the coffee and go into the library. Sit. There is ICMR research. First year to final year alone will be done. Do something, whether the ICMR accepts it or not. You will know what is publication. Go to. Still, I remember attending a lot of conferences during undergraduate days. I will be going for eating dinner or lunch. But something used to run in our mind, something falls into our brain that will be a game changer. Yeah, successful people learn from others' mistake. Don't try to learn from your own mistake. To become an achiever, to crack NEET PG or next or exit examination in a first attempt, to get a wonderful percentile in next or exit exam, what to do? There are 3 P's for success. There are umpteen number of things are there to tell how to crack the anatomy in 2 days or 3 days, etc., etc. But as a basement, the basement is more important than the building. What are the 3 P's for success? Is first I will tell you, pray. Prayer gives strength. Play, and then prepare anything. You prepare for medicine or prepare for any content preparation, anything. And the group, the team, the power of team. Group discussion. Once you identify your team, never ever find faults in that. Don't find any communal politics. Don't find any caste politics. But sometimes we may need to redefine the friends also in later. Try to avoid who is irritating you. Avoid. Keep your energy with you. If somebody is pulling all your energy, he is not sharing his knowledge to you, what is the point of keeping him with you? Remove him and create a new friends. There are a humpty number of people are available for your friendship, for your love, for your team. Use it, okay? And give the team the best, and the team will give you the best intent for you. Self-motivation is the key. Many people used to ask many achievers, how you keep yourself motivated? My chief used to tell, this be confident. I will come back to the be confident. My chief, Professor Govindaraj Periyasamy, the first lab transplant surgeon in Tamil Nadu government service, used to tell yourself, I am confident, I am good, I am fit, I will rock, I will learn many things, I will earn nicely, I enjoy my life. Ultimate thing in the life is to be happy. Many people used to tell during the exam, especially during the NEET PG preparation, hey chap, be confident, man, you can easily rock. This kind of talk we used to hear. But that words are all mantras. But as a person, if you take, even my seniors have told me, I have not felt as a confident. I am confident. No. But be confident is the word will be given for anyone, but even for a first rank holder, after near the exam, he will not feel confident. For being confident, these are the keys of success from Professor Govindaraj Periyasamy, first lab transplant surgeon in Tamil Nadu government service. Cross motivation. This helps a lot. There finds a team. The group 4, I will tell you the best team is group 4. More than 4 or 5, I think the team, the discussion will reduce. Even if you are 8 group of friends, please divide into 2 teams. Sorry. This cross motivation helps. Somebody will be like, everyone, we are not computers to keep our RAM always updated. We are just a human being. We have a lot of chemicals and lies between the neurons, acetylcholine and serotonin. Sometimes our acetylcholine goes up, our friend will be the real serotonin. That cross motivation will help. Identify our enemy, my dear friends. The enemy are our real motivators. They will guide us. They will keep ourselves to grow. Still, I remember our top star, our hero in movie, of course, Vijay used to tell, identify your enemy. We will identify our enemy. They are our motivators. They build our energy. They give the energy. They make ourselves to build our knowledge, build our wisdom, build everything. And the group, I told you, the discussion, the teamwork rocks. When the final exam comes, whether it is a first year or final year or a NEET PG exam, No for a application exam. So there are a lot of apps will be claiming, use my app, you get this kind of discount. See this video, you will wonder, this is the best app, the first ranker is telling. But you will be seeing that first ranker telling the same in every application after getting the money from each application. Okay, no for the app near the exam. Close your Facebook, open your book. Don't go into the Facebook. Lot of controversies, lot of communal politics, lot of unnecessary things. Open your book. The key for success is revision, revision, revision. As the cause for mitral stenosis is rheumatic fever, rheumatic fever, rheumatic fever. The key for success in any exam is revise, revise, revise. That's another mantra for success. For everyone near the exam, the sleep is important. 6.5 hours sleep. So many people used to tell, sir, I sleep 1.5 hours in the afternoon time and 5 hours in the night time. Is it okay, sir? No, 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 not at all. The 6.5 hours sleep cycle is very important because the first 2/3 of the sleep is non-REM sleep. The last 1/3 of the sleep is a REM sleep. The REM sleep gives more time for consolidation of the knowledge. The first 2/3 of the sleep is for physical fatigue, and last 1/3 of the sleep is for our concentration, our knowledge, our consolidation of the concepts. So don't miss it. Play, a lot of exercise. Just we can do some stretch exercise that also can help. Pray God. Prayer is an important energy for everyone. Still, I used to tell every time, the Nandi, the famous idol in Hindu temple, Nandi is the one, even something we can't tell to our parents, but we can tell to Nandi. Nandi either listen it or not, but de-stress us. Preparation. So 3 P's for the success is prayer, play, and then prepare. But always feel whether you crack this exam or not, the plan A fails. There are a lot of things, plan B, C, D, etc., etc. So don't worry, this is our ultimate. Not at all. Be cool. The attitude, the right attitude, the energy, whether we win or lose is immaterial, my dear friends. Play the game. Read. Love the subject. Okay. Winning or losing is immaterial. Cracking the exam, being number 1 or number 2 is immaterial. You will be definitely a topper, my dear friend. Because you are a player. You are playing the game. The winner will, at the finishing the first rank or second rank, he feels good and he becomes calm down. Not at all. A player, he always play until his final breath. So remember to play the game rather than finding a target and winning this target is not life. The life is a play and it has to be taken the right attitude with a cool spirit. How to face the challenges. When I discussed about 10 students in various medical colleges in last few days, I identified these questions. Sir, we do not know how to study, sir. We don't have any orientation for final year, sir. Sir, lack of clinical posting due to COVID, sir. Please help us. How to overcome this? So how to study? The next or exit or NEET PG pattern, a lot of changes. Government is going to bring exit exam for 2018 batch. I am saying 99.9% it will be there. So don't get worried when you are near the exam. So how to prepare for this? So a lot of integration being discussed, vertical and horizontal integration. But I simplify you, system-wise approach, organ-wise approach. So if you are a first MBBS, clear the first MBBS exam and you are in the second year, or you are in the second MBBS student entering into the pre-final year, but waiting for the exam, because for you also there is no exam, for pre-final year also, second MBBS and pre-final MBBS, no exam due to the COVID. What you can do, how to keep yourself motivated, go with the system-wise preparation. CNS, CVS, RS, endocrine, GIT, the 5 major systems. So start with the anatomy. For example, CNS, neuroanatomy, neurophysiology, neuropathology, neuropharmacology, neuromedicine, neuroradiology, neurosurgery. This system-wise approach, yeah, as a first year completed person, can't you prepare neuroanatomy now? Take 200 pages book. Buy 5 books. And name each book, CNS, RS, CVS, abdomen, GIT, consolidate. Start the anatomy first, neuroanatomy in the first book. And once you complete the neuroanatomy, subsequently in the same book, at the point of neurophysiology, there you will find a lot of overlap, my dear students. You will find a lot of overlap. There you will consolidate. When you read pharmacology or pathology, you will know, oh, this is simple, that this tract is being attacked. When you learn about selective serotonin reuptake inhibitors, you might have learned about the dopaminergic pathway and the serotonergic pathway. Okay, oh, SSRI is acting like this. By knowing acetylcholine serotonin imbalance, you will know Parkinsonism is because of this or that. So you will find a way, oh, okay, well, if you increase acetylcholine, Parkinsonism will be treated. Yes, the medicine is over. When you go to the neurosurgery, yeah, there are some surgeries for Parkinsonism. Does it feel good, my dear? This is the way. As a secondary MBBS student, now you know something about the Parkinsonism. Now you know something about the management of depression. Yes, this is integrated approach. Prepare like this. Work out a lot of Q banks, especially the graduates, house surgeons. The pattern of the exam is changing. Work out a lot of Q banks. That is very important, very key. These are the places which is like a ENT, ophthalmology, biostatistics. They are separate, not much integration. Still, we can read, we can try to integrate wherever possible. As a graduate side, I'm telling you again, put a lot of MCQs, watch less videos, discuss more. When we discuss more, the lot of unidentified gray zones will be easy to remember. I always tell, some points, even in the exam, out of 300 questions, first 10 questions, 1 or 2 questions, you may not be able to identify. There may be some thought block, but when you answer the 300th question, when you come back in revising the first the question which you are unable to answer, you will be able to answer because the thought block will be clear. That's how the discussion helps. The biggest challenges the students face is because of the COVID. They are not able to go for the clinics. What is best? Still, your faculty can help. Don't worry about like inspection, palpation, percussion, auscultation. Not like that is very important. Find out what is important. The book of Bible for undergraduate is Das. Please read that. Don't go for shortcuts now. You will be learning a lot. Don't go with the book with the small points. Medicine, please read McLeod's and discuss. There are a lot of videos available, free videos available in the YouTube also. There are a lot of faculties also taking. Ask your faculties, they will definitely take. It is because we don't ask them, they are not taking. Please ask them. Identify the right faculty. If you ask everybody, they may not. Identify the faculty who has interest. You ask me, I will teach surgery. No issues in spite of any time. But I will teach you in such a way, you will learn 1 or 2 points in a given problem, but the mind will be full of energy. Always when there is a thyroid swelling, you have to remember whether you see the swelling, that is a lower part of the swelling. When you read the hernia, you should know that the hernia will not have a get up of the swelling. When you read the hydrocele will have the get up of the swelling. These are the key, my dear friends. No surgeon will try to watch thyroid swelling which goes into the that is a retrosternum, that is into the mediastinum, because anytime the patient will have a pressure effect. So anybody should know get above the swelling for hydrocele. If you do not know get above the swelling for the hydrocele, sometimes we miss the hernia for hydrocele. Like this we should read, my dear friends. The graduates, I told you, in spite of the change of the NEET PG 2021 date, what is important is work out more MCQs. The MCQs are the key. Lot of consolidations you will get. Work out the question bank, the key for success. So please remember, my dear friends, in the COVID phase 1, we have lost almost 747 doctors. In COVID phase 2, we have lost almost 594 doctors. Don't worry, where do we stand? But be happy, I am alive. Be happy. Lakhs and lakhs of people have died all over the world. But you feel good. I am alive. I am alive. I am alive today. Thank God for that. Don't worry whether you have lost 2 years of your medicine. Don't worry whether you have lost 2 years of post-graduation period. Don't worry. The NEET PG 2021 is postponed. Don't worry. But you and I are alive. Thank God for that, my dear friends. Okay. Always the key for the success is, what do you feel? Whatever others may talk, But when you see the mirror should reflect like this. Almost a decade and more, I am facing the same one. I am feeling the same one. I end this point with the famous word from the Tirukkural, which made me average or below average student in the 8th standard. Even sometimes I copied also, and I being caught for being copied also. உள்ளுவதெல்லாம் உயர்வல்லல் மற்றது தள்ளினும் தள்ளாமை நீத்து. உள்ளுவதெல்லாம் உயர்வல்லல் மற்றது தள்ளினும் தள்ளாமை நீத்து. சோ நம்ம நினைக்கிறது வந்து மிகப்பெரிய விஷயங்களா நினைச்சோம்னா அது கிடைக்கல, அந்த நினைவுகள் நம்மளை வந்து வழி நடத்தும். Famous English words, aim for the stars, whether you reach that or not, you will definitely, the energy will get. All the best, my dear friend. Enjoy. I'm here for you to guide at any time. This is Dr. Anthony Reshkumar, founder, CEO, President, Concept. Jai Hind. Bye.